Hi, I'm Elinor Silverstein, and welcome to the Feldenkrais Guild of North America Conference Series, where the theme is breath. The conference will run live September 6th, the 27th, and October 18th, 2024. Today, I'm here with Moti Nativ, and the title of his workshop is Breath, Improving Stability and Balance for, I think, effective action or efficient action. So efficiency is where it is. So Moti, tell us about this wonderful and amazing workshop.
Hello, everyone. Always I'm happy to talk with Elinor. Really gives me good feeling. And, we talk about breath. And I have one student in my class that is 100 years old. And when I'm talking to my students and I say, hey, listen to your breath, and I see the smile, and he's breathing 100 years as a soldier, as a fighter, as a builder of Israel. And, and you say, okay, this is it. We breathe all the time. And I look at everyone and I say, okay, this is connecting to Moshe. Moshe said that a good movement is a movement that is assuring your survival. So I say movement is survival. Breathing is survival. And when I work with the people, and you know that I'm a martial artist, as Moshe was, and the martial artists have to be grounded when they move, when they do what they do, and breathing should help them to ground themselves, to bring more strength in the stability, in the way they control the balance. And I think that many times people forget that the breathing is with us. And yes, we can breathe out and breathe in, and also we have to stop shortly. And how do we build all of that? And you know that martial artists, they use the term ki high, meaning the shout, the sound they make to use the body. But the ki high can be something that comes from your neck, or comes from your chest, or comes from your stomach. And that's what we want. We want to be able to bring this power that we already have because we breathed. But Moshe was smart. He knew what it is. And he brought this concept of seesaw breathing, yes? And everybody knows how to widen the stomach, how to lower the breathing into the stomach. And this is what we want to do. We want to work in such way that we'll breathe as we act, so-called for survival. Yeah, it's so-called, yeah. But we want to be able to feel the power that we get from such breathing. This is the tandem breathing. Yeah, the tandem, the hara, the lower stomach breathing that we have to use, we should know how to use. And by listening, everybody can do it. Yeah, even my student that is 100 years old, he can use it. Yeah.
You know, I remember years ago, my mother had a knee surgery, and as soon as she came out from knee surgery, the surgery had failed. And they had her, but they didn't know, and they had her walking up and down the aisle, hallway. And she went from below because she had not only always studied with Moshe, but she had taken Hatha yoga and Kundalini yoga all of her
Yeah.
life, starting in Haifa in the 1953, I think. And she used, instead of a martial arts voice, she did the I am Feldenkrais, but she went from the bottom of her belly and did the beautiful walk. And she would keep saying it. And the staff there is like, what is that? And our family was like, oh, she's going to be just fine. Oh, she's going to heal. And she left within a day. And then, of course, a couple weeks later, we revised the surgery, but she healed so well using from the belly up. And she actually healed herself from pneumonia doing the same thing. So I'm glad that you're talking about this. This is so important.
Yeah. So I hope that we will meet here in the dojo, and I will talk and teach from here, and also I have maybe 1 or 2 fighters that will be here, and I will teach them while I teach through the Zoom with online teaching.
Ah, good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so you do teach online. This is great for people to know. Um, Also, what will the students need for the class? Will they need a mat? Will they need space to move around? Will they be, you tell me.
They need space, and maybe sometimes we'll do some movements. We'll lean on the wall, so they need a good place. We'll try to do the movements in such way that will bring out the energy, and also maybe the ki high with this that comes from lower, from the seesaw during breathing. And I know that, the breathing that we have with us all the time, we can do it and keep it in our mind and in our body as paying attention, okay? Paying attention to the breathing. This is what will help everyone to become stronger. So everyone should just have a space. Maybe we do some movements on the floor, and maybe we'll also to feel the movement, and we like to maybe sometimes push a little bit. And if again everybody will be free to use himself, to move himself, and breathe in such way that she can sense the power that the breathing is adding to everything that we do.
Wow. And that's the truth.
Yeah.
Moti, it's always a pleasure. I'm so looking forward to you coming and teaching. We all need this. So, what you're teaching to us. So, thank you. And come and get yourself involved with Moti and feeling the sense of power and strength and and balance. And we need this. So, Moti, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you, Elinor. Thank you, everyone. And I'm also looking forward to meet and work together. Okay.